Good day YouTube, this is Digoo TV. I'm Korean Tatai. Today, I'm gonna show you what I bought this November 11 Chinese Black Friday. I don't know the exact name. Anyway, November 11 was the Chinese version of Black Friday. So I bought this. So I'm gonna introduce you guys what's this. And this is Papa's shopping. So anyway, this is what I bought this November 11. Let's check it out.
What you doing? What you doing, Papa?
The first, Xiaomi portable mouse. It's here. I've used more than 1 month of this mouse. This is dual connection. One is using the Bluetooth and one is using the 2.4 GHz dongle. I bought this one because of my MacBook Air. MacBook doesn't have enough USB port, so sometimes it was quite uncomfortable. So I should buy Bluetooth mouse. Using the two battery, AAA battery, the connectivity with my MacBook Air is perfect. But only the cons of this mouse is it's not ergonomic. The price was 687 pesos. It's about $13. The next, Aputure AL-MX LED light. If you like YouTube, you guys may be familiar with this product because the Peter Mckinnon introduced about this product. Yep, this one. This LED light is the thing. It looks like this. It has so many LED bulb inside, and the lighting power is quite enough. The only problem is price. The price was 5,000. The price was 5,319 pesos. It's about $102. Actually, the price of this LED light is over $120, but that was the Black Friday. I bought this in a very discounted price. Previously, I introduced Aputure AL-MX LED light. This is quite great stuff, but I think the power of LED light is not enough. So I bought this AL-MX. Has lots of LED bulb, but when I tried, it doesn't have strong LED. And it's heavy, very heavy. Compared to this AL-MX, I think it's 5 times heavier than this. I only use this light for my facing light. I believed Peter Mckinnon, but it's expensive and too heavy. And the battery life short. Digoo electric toothbrush. The price of this is 1,040 pesos. It's about $19. The actual price is 1,224 pesos. Over $21. So now I'm using this one when I toothbrush. Very strong. Sometimes if the toothbrush touch my tooth, I feel like it's gonna be broken. So you should be careful when you're using this. So I'm satisfying this product. I'll show you next time. And the next, this is 6-inch dome port for Gopro 7. It looks like this, and there is GoPro housing, and there is the handle, and you can take the shot inside the water. 50-50, half. You can show under the water and you can show outside the water. You can take some cinematic underwater shots. The problem of this product is the material. This material is kind of plastic. It's easy scratchable, so you should be careful when you're using. And there is a trigger. You can put trigger and you don't need to using this button. The price of this one is 1,203 pesos. And the last, Xiaomi Mipad4. This is the Xiaomi Mipad4. I already removed the original screen protector and I put some clear type screen protector because the original type is matte type. It makes my eye uncomfortable. It's just typical Android tablet. I think the most tablet brand is failed, but this Xiaomi Mi Pad and the Apple iPad only alive. The Xiaomi Mi Pad is very cheap. The price is so nice and the screen is very clean and sharp. I bought this for my daughter. This is yours.
Yeah.
You want to watch YouTube?
Yeah.
Because she is future YouTube star, isn't it? Great! So I bought this jelly case together because my daughter always throw away this tablet. It's gonna be broken soon. It's still alive. It has very nice camera. It doesn't have OIS, but the image quality is very nice. The price was 9,304 pesos. It's about $178. These days, the Mi Pad price over 10,000, 10,190 pesos. So, success. The only problem of this is speaker. Speaker is only monotype, only one side. So, when you're playing the YouTube, you can hear the sound only this side. Okay, here. So this was my short introducing of my shopping list. So if I choose only one the best thing of my Black Friday shopping, I choose this Digoo Sonic toothbrush. As you can see, I have beautiful tooth. So cleaning of my tooth is very important job. This one was my best shopping of this November 11. So if you guys want some detailed review of this product, please comment below of this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and 기라키즈. This was Pico TV. Bye bye.
Gaze upon the sky, Christmas on my mind, somewhere from a place up high above.